Hi, I'm Erik Linask, coming to you from IT Expo West here in Los Angeles, and I'm here with Randy Minervino from Profitec. Randy, welcome.
Thank you, Erik.
Maybe now we're hitting day 3 of the show. Why not start out telling me how's the show been so far?
The show has been excellent. We've met some really good quality prospects, both VoIP providers and traditional telephony providers, and this made a great launch pad for our new products. As you're aware, Profitec's been in the billing business for over 25 years, and this is our 4th legacy system recreation and deployment, and this has been the most excellent platform to do our new product launch from.
Tell me about the new product a little bit.
Well, we've converted all of our applications into the ASP.NET, which is really exciting because the billing system, the electronic bill presentment and payment, the channel management, e-commerce, all of these interact with a single SQL database. So we've eliminated the need for our clients to bring best-of-breed solutions or expensive system integrators to interact with the primary database. And so far, it seems to be playing pretty well with the crowd.
Excellent. Good to hear that. What are some of the key challenges these days with that vendors are facing with their billing systems?
Handling the technology, moving from, we were originally a mainframe-based company, then we ported everything down to the microcomputer platform, then Windows and SQL, and now with the web, browser-based applications, making sure everything's secure, dealing with secure channels, a lot of electronic payment providers like Authorize.net and IPPay and others, and there's a great concern for security in that regard. And, because I'm 50, just understanding the technology that I need to be able to educate my prospects on, for me personally, has been a challenge. I'm lucky because, I've got some children in the business now, 3rd-generation kids, and, of course, anyone 22. The new technology is just inherent in their breathing, so that's sort of helped us a lot.
You mentioned security. Obviously, security in terms of billing and payments, got to have it. How do you go about approaching folks with an understanding of, security?
Well, we have to start with the basics, how a payment's processed, how the credit cards are encrypted and secured, how they make use of secure HTTP. We've also gone to SSL, which, password challenges and those types of things. We're PCI compliant and CNI compliant, and, just understanding, as a vendor, understanding what technical hurdles you'll need to face. Takes a lot of research and development.
Is there, going towards the end user, is there an understanding, is there a need for an understanding in terms of security, PCI compliance, things like that?
Not so much with the end users, but with the service provider I'm selling to, because ultimately they're on the line with the regulatory authorities, so you need to, and give them the confidence that you're on top of everything. And, a lot of it has been driven by our current customer base, that as they evolve into the new tools, they need to be able to ensure their investors and the regulatory people. And, we're fortunate. We've got some clients with some Class 1 IXCs, so, they help to drive the evolution along the paths that technology's headed towards. And, what we find now is dealing with the younger ownership of the service providers. They don't really care about all that past stuff that you've done. They want, show me how this thing accommodates my needs today. And of course, occasionally you meet someone who comes over from the traditional telephony world. They have needs both for PSTN-driven products as well as IP-based services. And, our billing system is unique in that we provide integrated billing and customer care solutions for over 24 products and services, all through a single interface. So it's a system that has great appeal to a lot of people, but, in a booth you get 3 to 4 minutes maybe to stress the highlights of what you've got. So, 3rd day into the show, I think by this point we've kind of honed the presentation, and people seem well pleased with the development that we've done.
Wow, that's great to hear. Great to hear that you guys have had a good show. We've been talking here with Randy Minervino from Profitec. Randy, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you back on the East Coast.
Thank you very much, Erik. Have a great day.
All right.